Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lanray. Thank you for joining me. So in today's video, I'll be showing you, I'm excited already. I'll be showing you how I install these juicy, lovely small twists. I think these are so cool, and I added some accessories just to spice things up. And as you can see, things have been spiced, if I do say so myself, okay? So if you want to see how I install these twists, please keep watching and let's get right into it. So it is voiceover time. Oh my goodness, my first voiceover. Okay, let's keep it pushing. Yes, so I start off by combing my hair, making sure it's not tangled or anything, and then I oil my scalp because dry scalp is not what we want today. And then I firstly part my hair into 4 sections, and within those 4 sections I part those sections into 2 sections. And this is where I show you guys that I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which poured on the floor while I was showing you. I still cannot believe that happened. What I decided to do for these twists is braid the roots and then twist the hair. This will make it firm and it will make the style last longer. So this is what I have so far. First section is done. Let's do the next section now. Initially I wanted mini twists, but when I did the first one, I was like, let me just make them smallish to medium-ish. So that's what I did. So I do the same thing for each twist and each section and all across my head. Here is the back of the hair, and this is the final section. Can't wait to style these even more and show you guys what I do. And a twist out is definitely coming out of this, so stay tuned. I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.